Hi, welcome back. This is series number 3, 3-number series, and this is number, I think, 13. Okay, number 14 actually. Okay, so let's see how we did all the red, and that will all dry evenly after it dries. We're doing the black right now, so let's just take some black, straight black, and mix some water with it. It's okay if you don't see the wood on the black, but you will see it because it's still mixed with water in that wash I talked about before. And so we're going to do the boots. So just want to be very careful not to load it too much when you're up near the white, because what will happen, it will suck right up into that white section. Just want to be very, very careful. Do the heavier one on the bottom first, okay, and then work your way up to the top. Just very carefully. See how that flat brush, you can get very close to everything without worrying about taking a line across. So you're going to do your boots like that all the way around. Okay. Just make sure you get in the corner there a little bit and just push it up. And because you have a stop cut, and that's a little like a little raised furry part there, it does keep the paint from, and you have a stop cut there, it keeps the paint from really being soaked up everywhere. You don't want to load the brush up too much because then you can really make a mess. I've already had it soak up into the pants because I got it too wet up at the top. So you just want to be careful of that. Okay, we're going to hurry up and hopefully get this done in one more video here. Okay, so that's what you want to do there. Alright. And just, you can squish it around there a little bit and get all the crevices and stuff, and it will dry a little funny at first, and just let it dry and see what it looks like. It should dry evenly like everything else. And right up there, you see there's a little white portion there in between the boots. There you go. See, we got everything. Just push it in there. It should be fine. Okay, so our boots are done. Since we have the black out, I'm going to take a little bit of water and put a little bit of black in our dish. And put that in the water and take the small one and dip it in the white and get our consistency of that gray, because we'll do the mouth really quickly. Okay, so how we do that is this way. Take that, load it up, and then just push it down in there like that. Okay, that gives it some depth. Alright, that's all you need to do. If you want to put a little more in, and that's fine. You don't want to hit the lips because the lips have to be pink. So what we'll do, since we have a little bit of the white out, we'll go back to our little plate here. I always use a styrofoam plate. It works really well. A little bit. Take a little bit of red and just load it up once. Maybe put a little bit more red. Just a little bit extra. There we go. Roll that, and then we're going to do the lips here. That's all that it takes, just one swipe. Just make sure you get it up in the corner. Okay, so that's our lips are done. Our mouth is finished. We're going to take a little bit of blue and we're going to squirt a little bit in here. I always do too much. We're going to get rid of our black. We're going to take a little bit of water, a little bit of white, and tone that down a little bit. This is going to be our eyes, okay? This is going to be very critical for you to watch here. Alright? We're going to go right up in here. And remember, we're going to go in the center and work our way out. Always start in the center and just take your time to push it up there. You don't want to get it up in that wooded portion on the top, because that's a mess to try to fix. I've done that a few times, guys. It's not fun trying to get that out of there. It's very hard to fix. And we'll do the other eye and try to match them up a little bit. Okay, like this. Alright, that's what we have for the eyes. And we're going to stop now, and then I'll come back and finish up the inside of the eyes and the coat and the belt, and then we have another Santa that's done. Okay, I'll be right back.